Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Only the material body of the indestructible, immeasurable, and eternal living entity is subject to destruction. Therefore fight, O descendant of Bharata.
Antavantami deha nityasya ukta sharira sharirina. This is Pura Brahma. Sharirin. So, Sharirin or Shariri means the proprietor of the Sharir or body. Sharir means his body, and Sharirin, one who possesses the body. So, Pura Brahma is Sharirina. In a varieties of ways, Krishna is convincing Arjuna that the soul is different from this body. So, this body, afterwards, it will be finished. However, you may try so scientifically, applying cosmetic and other things. You cannot save the body. That is not all. Anta means end, and bhat means possessing. So, you have got your duty to fight, and you are lamenting that the body of your grandfather or teacher or kinsman, they will be destroyed, and you will be unhappy. That's all right, you will be unhappy. But even if you do not fight, their body will be finished today or tomorrow or say a few years after. So why should you go back from discharging your duty? This is the point. And so far, the soul is concerned of your grandfather, teacher and others. They are nitya, eternal, already explained. Nityasya ukta. Now, Krishna here also says, ukta. Ukta means it is said. Not that dogmatically I am speaking. I am putting up some theory. No. It is said. It is already settled. It is already ascertained. And in the Vedic literature, by authorities, it is so said. This is the way of presenting evidence. Even Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he does not theorize. He said it is said, authorized. Anasina aprameya. Or nasina means destructible. And anasina means not destructible. Saririna, the soul, anasina, it will never be destroyed. And aprameyas, immeasurable. It cannot be measured also. In the Vedic literature, the measurement is described there, but you cannot measure it. Anything, so many things are described in the Vedic literature. So you are so advanced in scientific knowledge, but neither you can say that it is not fact, neither you can estimate. Just like in the Padma Purana, the varieties of living entities are expressed. Jalajanamulakhani, the aquatic animals or living entities are 900,000. So you cannot say, no, it is not 900, it is less or more. It is not possible for you to see within the water how many varieties are. You might have, the biologists, they might have experimented, but it is not possible to see 900,000 forms. That is not possible. Jalajanamulakhani Savara Lakhavinsati. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,